These harvesting equipments have made the process much easier for farmers. The John Deere 9900 is a forage harvester powered with a final Tier 4 V12 D9512 AV04 Liebherr engine that reaches a maximum power of 956 horsepower at 1800 RPM. The engine has a displacement of 24.2 litres, dubbed as the world's most powerful forage harvester. This 17.1-ton harvester is fitted with a V12 Liebherr D9512 engine that has a rated power of 1156 horsepower. Its front tyres are 680/85 R32s and its back tyres are 540/65 R30s. The harvester moves at a speed of 40 km per hour and has a transport length of 7.52 meters, a transport width of 3.2 meters, and a transport height of 3.9 meters.